Hi everyone, my name is Mayur and I am a Flutter Developer Intern based in Hyderabad. This is my very first YouTube video and I am super excited to share one of my apps with you, BMI FitIndex Pro, a clean and simple BMI calculator available on Google Play Store. What the app does: BMI FitIndex Pro helps you to calculate your body mass index and tells you whether you are underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. I built this app to make BMI checking simple, fast, and user friendly. Features of this app: clean and minimal UI, accurate BMI calculations, dark and light mode support, offline functionality, smooth animations, and is built completely using Flutter and Provider. Before we dive in, here is the tech stack I used: Flutter for the building of beautiful smooth UI, Provider for lightweight state management, and this combination keeps the app fast, responsive, and easy to maintain. So this is the home screen. You can select your gender, height and weight and switch between kilograms and centimeter or pounds or feet units. I kept the design clean and modern so anyone can use it without confusion. Let me show you how it works. I'll enter my details, tap calculate BMI, and immediately you can see the BMI value along with the category like normal, underweight, or overweight. There also a visual BMI scale for better understanding along with the helpful fitness tips for users. These features make the app simple yet powerful for daily use. As a Flutter developer, I wanted to create a lightweight BMI app that focuses on clarity, accuracy, and user experience. Most BMI apps cluttered, so I wanted to keep this one clean and easy. If you wanted to try the app link is in the description. This app just beginning of my YouTube journey as a Flutter developer. So if you want more app showcase and development content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my first video. More Flutter content coming soon. See you in the next one. Peace.